Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fancia. Hey, thank you so much for joining me today. Thank you to everyone that subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please go subscribe now. Click on the post notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. And if you haven't seen my previous videos, you can go check them out after this very video. Thank you all so much. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate it. I love you guys. Yes, so today we're gonna be doing a very makeup detail. Jeez, what am I gonna say, guys? Okay, today we're gonna be doing a makeup tutorial. This very one, yeah. So if you want to see how I get to achieve this look, you definitely want to keep going. And yeah guys, welcome back. So this is a full makeup tutorial, so please bear with me. Make sure you watch this video to the end. Thank you. So first what I do, I go with my mascara brush to brush my eyebrow, and I always like to add some powder to my brush just to keep it for the whole day, and also to clean the excess oil from it. And I'm applying that with my brush. Today I'm gonna be doing a different eyebrow tutorial. Another made tutorial about I'm gonna use a different eyebrow for this very look. So next I'm going to be using my got2b glue to brush up my eyebrow. So in case you don't know what the got2b glue is, this is a glue used to glue your wig cap on your hair. Yeah. So don't be scared. For some of you that will be scared, like you're surprised, don't be scared. At first I was scared, but when I used it, I love it. So I'm going to use my spoolie or my mascara brush to apply that on my eyebrow, and I'm going to be brushing it upward just like this. So now I'm going to go ahead and use a cotton board to clean off the excess glue around my brow areas. This is just to make sure that when I apply my foundation, it doesn't look cakey over there. So guys, I already applied my foundation, as you can see, and the reason why I didn't film that because as you can see, the foundation I'm using today is quite lighter than my skin, so this was the only one available, so I had to use this one. And what I'm doing now is I'm lightening my face, and I'm using the concealer from Maybelline. This has been one of my favorite concealer. Honestly, this has been one of my favorite concealer, but I'm trying to use another concealer on my next video. Yeah. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my bronzer from Revolution. And you know what happened in this video, guys? I actually used a contour, but it didn't work out for me. It was crazy. I didn't want to show you guys how it was, honestly. But I had to go with my bronzer because that's what I always use. It works really good for me, honestly. Now I'm gonna go ahead and bake my face, and I'm using the same setting powder for More Makeup Academy, and I try not to use too much. So now guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish my eyebrow, and I'm gonna go with my eye pencil just to make my brow look a little bit darker. And the eye pencil I'm using today is for Makeup Gallery. So the reason why I didn't do this at first, because I needed the glue to get dried on my eyebrow for a while before I start using my eye pencil. So now I'm gonna go ahead and define my eyebrow, and I'm gonna be using a flat brush and a pro concealer. So now guys, I'm gonna be applying some powder on my face, and this is a set of powder palette I'm gonna be using. Fortunately, I don't know the name of this powder because I've been using it for like 2 years now. So I'm gonna be applying that on my face with my sponge or beauty blender. So yeah, I'm just gonna be applying it on my face like this. And now to the eyeshadow. So you know, I always like to use the natural color. I always like to go with the natural color first, and I'm using the Patricia Bright palette, and the natural color I'm using there, it's No Days Off. It's called the No Days Off. So yeah, can you see that brow guys? Like my eyebrows are on flick. So next I'm gonna go on with this 2 shade. It's called the Never Say Never and the Try Me. So I first applied the Try Me, which is the orange color, and then I went ahead and applied the Never Say Never, which is the yellow color, and that's what producing this color on my crease. And next I'm going to be applying the shade from the Revolution Pro palette. It's called the Core. So I'm going to be using a flat brush to apply that on my eyelids, just like this. Guys, I'm gonna add this berry hem pigment to my lids just to, you know, pop out my eyeshadow. I love this pigment, trust me, it is nice. So now I went ahead and had the irreplaceable shade from the Patricia Bright palette. And now I'm lining my eyes. And the liner I'm using today is from Fast Stroke. That's what I always use though. So now it's about time to fix my lashes. So I always like to use the mascara. And this mascara I'm using is from Revolution. So for my under lash line, I always like to use the same shade I use for my crease. So I used the same shade, the irreplaceable and never say never shade. That's the same shade I'm using for my under lash line. So I'm using the intense color eyeliner. I always like to use a white liner because I think, or I feel like it's just nice. It gives your makeup a different look. So for me, I love to use a white liner. So I went ahead now and used my mascara to lift up my under lashes, and the bronzer I'm using today is from Revolution Pro, and I'm gonna be applying that to my cheekbone. So now I'm using the setting spray from L'Oreal Paris to set my face. So for my lips, I'm using a matte long wear lipstick from More Makeup Academy. I love it. So guys, this is the finishing. I hope you like this video and I hope you learned something new. So if you like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, like, share, comment. Let me know what you think about this video and what you think about my channel. Thanks for joining me guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.